Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to build fully functional online banking website with zero coding skills. So stay with me and you have this ready by the end of this video. As you can see, it comes with this navigation bar. So we have this logo here. We have this translator where user can translate into different languages. So we have our menu here, as you can see. So here user can log into the account by clicking on online banking. So I'll come to the home page. And here's our hero section where it says simple, quick, secured, transfer money across the world in real time. So just quickly scroll through so you see how it looks. As you can see, here is our about us section. So here it says popular currency tools. So here it says why choose us. As you can see, we are innovative and digital. So let me scroll through. So here's our live exchange rates. So as you can see, your benefits, your one-stop digital banking platform. So here is our testimonial sections for this website. This is our blog section, as you can see, and here's our footer section. So let me quickly go ahead and register for a free account. So I'll click on online banking. So click on create account like so. So as you can see, I've successfully registered for a free account. So I'll just go to my email now and verify my account. So after verifying your account, it takes you to this login page. So log into this account so you see. As you can see, account information. So what you need to do is fill in your details like your title, your gender, so your zip code, your date of birth, your account type, your state security number, your type of employment, your salary range, then you upload your document. So after filling in these details, you click on submit application. So admin will receive your application, then approve your account. So you get the confirmation mail whether your account has been successfully approved. I won't be filling this form because I already have a demo account, so I just wanted to show you how the registration process works. So I'll just go ahead now and log into my demo account. So here's how our user dashboard looks, as you can see. So it comes with this translator where you can translate into different languages. So here's our available balance. Here's our account number. So you can view your transaction history by clicking on transactions. So you can decide to export the transaction history by clicking on export. So the file format, you can choose between CSV and Excel. You can decide to download the file or send it to your email. So I'll click on back like so. So I'll be going to local transfer to show you how it works. Let me make a transfer of $100. So you get these prompts before you proceed. You need to input your IMF code. So I'll input my code. So it asks you for Swift code. So I'll input my Swift code. So after inputting our transfer code, it asks us for OTP code. So I'll just go to my email now and get my code. So you get these receipts after completing the transaction. So I'll click on home to go back to our dashboard. So let me go to my email and show you the email confirmation I got after completing this transaction. As you can see, successful transfer request. So the same thing goes for international transfer. So you fill in your details and it asks you to provide your IMF code, your Swift code and your COC code. So click on back to dashboard. Now come to this deposit where user deposits into their account. So you can deposit money using bank transfer or Bitcoin depending on you. And you set all of this from the admin end. So I'll deposit $500. So you see, you can continue like so. So what you need to do is you copy the address, then you upload payment. So I'll come to this loan request where user can take loans. For instance, I want to take a loan of 5,000. The duration, you can set it to be 6 months, 12 months, 2 years, depending on you. So I just say 6 months. So I'll fill in the purpose of the loan. I'll select my monthly net income. So I'll click on send request. As you can see, you have successfully applied for your loan. Your loan is currently pending, so you wait for admin to approve your loan. So I'll come to loan history. So as you can see, here is the loan I applied for earlier. So I'll come to these settings. So here you can change your password, you can upload a new profile picture, and you can update your transaction pin. Come to support tickets. So here you can contact the customer care of this platform. So as you can see, your message was sent successfully. So that is all about the user dashboard. Let me quickly walk you through the admin dashboard. So here is our admin portal where we manage everything about this website, including users' deposits, new users' application, loan requests. So I'll quickly go to manage users. As you can see, here's the user we have currently on our platform. Here's the account I registered earlier. Here's my name account. Click on this manage button. So here you can manage everything about this user. So click on action so you can fund his account. So you can update his profile picture by uploading a new one. You can reset the password of this user. So you can turn on the account status of this user to be dormant. So you can clear this user account. So you can edit the details of this user. So you can send an email to this user by filling out subject of the mail and then you type your message here. You can log in as this user by clicking on login. So you can check the login activity of this user and block this user and you can delete this user. That's all for this user end. So I'll come to create new user to show you how it works. So here you can create a new user for your platform by filling out these details. Then you click on add user. I'll come to new user application. So here you manage the KYC application of new user. So I'll come to these transfer transactions where admin manually approve transaction of user. As you can see, we have some pending transactions. So let me quickly approve one so you see. So I'll click on this view button like so. So you can decide to change the status from paid to be reject or on hold depending on you. So just leave it as paid. So I'll impute to this date, which is on the 9th. And I'll click on process. As you can see, that's how easy it is to process the transaction. So I'll come to user deposit. So we'll manually approve the deposit of user. So as you can see here, we currently do not have any deposits. So I'll come to this loan application. So as you can see, here is the loan I collected earlier. You come to this action button, then you go to more action. You can decide to mark this loan as processed. So I'll go to email services. So here you can send email to the users of this platform. So you choose your category, fill in your rating title, then you fill in your subject, then you impute your message. So as you can see, we have successfully emailed this user. So I'll come to the administrator. You can decide to add a new manager by clicking on add manager. So you fill in the details like the first name, last name, email address, phone number, the admin type. Then you impute the password, confirm the password, then you click on save user. Then I'll come to settings. So here you manage the general settings of our website. So I'll be going to app settings to show you. So as you can see, our website name is Samplex Bank. So let me update it to Samplex Mobile Bank. Then I'll update our website title. So you update your keywords, you update your website URL, you update your website address. So if you have a WhatsApp number, you impute your WhatsApp number here. If you have a live chat code, you just paste it here. Then your time zone, you update it. You update the installation type, whether subdomain, subfolder, main domain. So mine is currently on subfolder. If you want your user to receive SMS, you can turn this on. Mine, I'll leave it as off. So you update your site logo, then you update your 5 icon. So you click on update. As you can see, settings saved successfully. So let me go back to our site and refresh. As you can see, our site name and our site logo has been updated. So the logo has currently changed to the one I uploaded. I'll come back to our app settings to configure this. So I'll go to transfer code. So you can update the name of this code from IMF to code 1 and I'll update this to code 2. So depending on you, so you can update your message here like so. You can decide to turn off the code 1, turn off the code 2, turn off code 3 and turn off OTP. So depending on you, so just click on update like so. So I'll come to this preference. So here you set up your contact email, then you update your website's currency. So you can also decide to turn off KYC, then disable email verification. So I'll click on save changes like so. I'll come to this email/Google Capture. So here you set up the email configuration you want your platform to use, whether send me or SMTP. So if you want to make use of SMTP, you fill in your email from name to your SMTP host, your SMTP port, your encryption, username and your password. So you click on save changes like so. So I'll come to this settings and I'll come to this payment settings. So here you manage the settings you want your platform to use. You can add a new method by clicking on add new. So you just fill in these details, then you click on save method like so. So presently we have two payment methods enabled for this platform, which is bank transfer and Bitcoin. Let me quickly enable this BUSD so you see how it works. So you update your minimum amount, your maximum amount, so your charge. So after filling in these details, you click on save changes. So as you can see, we have successfully enabled this BUSD as a payment method. So if you want to know how to build this type of powerful website without writing a single line of code, let's dive in. To build this type of website, you will need a domain and hosting. I already made a complete tutorial on that, and I'll link it in the video description. So I will log into my cPanel. So I'll go to my file manager. So I'll go to my public_HTML, as you can see. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be working with a subfolder. So I'll click on folder like this, then I'll name my folder demo1. So here's the folder I created. I'll enter this folder, then I'll click on upload. So I'll just go ahead now and upload my script. So I'll click on select file. So you just wait for it to finish uploading. So if you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please kindly subscribe and hit that bell icon to help us go. So our script has finished uploading. So I'll click on back like so. So you right click on this zip file, then you click on extract. Let me reload. So I'll delete this zip file like so. Then I'll enter this folder. So as you can see, here's our script. So select everything, then I'll click on move. So I want to move it from this mobile bank folder to the demo1 folder I created earlier. So as you can see, our file has been successfully moved. So I'll click on up one level. As you can see, our script has been successfully moved from the mobile bank folder to our demo1 folder. So I'll come to my .env file. So for your case, if you don't see your .env file, what you need to do is you need to come to these settings, then you enable hidden file, show hidden file. Okay, so I'll click on save like so. Then you'll be able to see this .env file. So I'll click on it, then I'll right click on it, and I'll click on edit. So what you want to do is you update your app URL, then you update your database details. So for my app URL, I want to change it from samplextutorials.top/mobilebank to samplextutorials.top/demo1. So for my database details, you come to your cPanel tools like so, then you search for database wizard. So you want to create a new database for this installation. So you give your database a name. So you give it a username, I'll say demo1, then you create a password. So I'll click on this password generator here, and I'll generate a password for this database. So I'll go to my notepad, paste this password here, and I'll click on use password. So I'll click on create user. So you check mark these all privileges. So we have successfully created a database for this installation. So I'll come to my cPanel tools again, then I'll search for PHP myadmin. So I'll right click on it. So you locate the database you created. So for mine, the name of my database is demo1. So I'll right click on it, then I'll click on import here. So I'll choose my SQL file. Then I'll click on import. As you can see, we have successfully imported our database. So I'll come back to this .env file. So I'll be updating the details of this database to the one I just created. So after updating our database details, I'll click on save changes. So I'll go to a new tab to view the website I just created. So as you can see, we have successfully replicated the exact same thing. So to log into the admin for this website, you go to your website's URL /admin/samplex login. So to get access to the source code, you can message me on WhatsApp. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to help us grow. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.